Oh, wow, look at this. It's a new pot tart again. That would taste good. And will it taste good? Find out now. And there we go. And oh, that yeah, that. Cassandra's gotta go first. Yep, that $1 Valian.
Cassandra.
Okay, a little bit for Cassandra and a little bit for Sandy.
Okay.
And the rest is mine. Mmm. Mmm. It's pretzel and cinnamon. Oh, it is good. Oh, yeah. What a perfect treat for your blessing, huh?
Sandy. Cassandra.
Now for the toasted pint. And mmm. 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 Mmm.